What's up, guys? So today I pulled out the stick shift go-kart again, and I'm just gonna share with you all the problems that I've been through, maybe just for some more help and some guidance trying to get this thing to run. So in the last video I said that I was gonna take it to somebody to look at it who knows what they're doing. Turns out nobody in this area will work on a Chinese engine, so I have to figure it out on my own. The last time it ran was 2 months ago. It didn't run well, and the jets kept clogging up. So I took off the old Kuni carburetor. I put back the original one that I was using in my older videos last spring. I think when I got on the gas, it was running lean. But that's before I replaced it with the Mikuni. But at least it was running, so I put it back on. I'm just pumping fuel with a little syringe on my pump, so there's no vacuum port, so I know there's no air leak or anything like that. The only other difference is I put in a new spark plug. It's gapped to 27 thousandths of an inch. That's about it. It's just not running for some reason. I've spent hours figuring out the Mikuni carburetor, fiddling around with the needle, changing around jets, air fuel mix screw, all that kind of stuff. So it's none of that. I don't know why all of a sudden it just stopped running, and right now it won't even start. So I'll kick it over and you'll see what it sounds like. So cleaned up the battery, I have it plugged in, charging right now. I relocated the switch to here just so this wire's shorter so that it kicks over a little quicker. But this is pretty much what I've been dealing with the last 2 months. So what I'm gonna do here is take off the seat so I can turn the flywheel, and then I'm going to try to adjust my valve clearances and see if that is possibly the problem. Besides that, I guess I just check electronics. They all look good last time I checked them, but I'll use a voltmeter on them, make sure everything's working, and then if none of that works, I don't really know what to say, because it's just been giving me so much trouble, and I don't really know what else I could possibly do to help it besides just getting a new engine, which obviously I'm not going to do. Now I have to remove the shift linkage that goes over the cover of the engine. So the intake one I'm adjusting to 0.05 millimeters. The exhaust one I'm adjusting to 0.08 millimeters. everything's back together. Now I'm gonna try to start it, I guess. The wire is probably a thinner gauge than it should be, which isn't helping. I'm gonna try to kickstart it now, see what happens. So I just checked the spark plug and it is indeed getting spark. So it's getting spark, it's getting gas, it's getting air, it still won't start. And I really don't know why. I'm gonna keep filling around with it maybe. I think I should get some thicker gauge wire for the battery, for the starter, so that'll kick over a little bit faster. So right now it's a little thin and it's heating up and smoking. So I can fix that, but I mean I was starting this thing before on tons of this thin wire and it would start up before. The carburetor is exactly the same. I don't know why it just randomly stopped working. So if you have any recommendations, if you could give me some guidance on how I can get this thing working, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, so that's about it for this video, and see you guys in the next one, hopefully with this thing driving.